Welcome to our DMC YouTube channel. For this episode, I will share to you what is the best app to edit your video by using your smartphone, okay? So before we get started, what you're gonna do is you have to download this app. It's called InShot. Once you download InShot, we can start it now. Download the InShot app, okay, and then prepare your video materials. I will show you my example of my videos. Let's see my videos. This is my short video for my personal Instagram. I'll play it now and show to you how actually I do my cooking tutorial, the step, like put in some music on it. This is the thing that you will learn later. So let's check it out now. So for this one, you just download the InShot and go into it and select some new videos. So for today's, I will just take my rabbits video, the one that I downloaded. I just take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 videos. After you click the video that you wanted, just click on the green button and then you can start it now. Okay, so for my cases, I will actually mute all the background music, in case that I want to change, I want to add on some music. So first of all, I will just click on mute all the videos music first, because this is the actually video that comes with 4 to 5 videos. I will mute it all and I will restart again from here. I will mute all the videos background and then I will start to make the videos run, and then I'll click on it. So because of this video, it's actually a normal speed, right? So what I'm going to do for the next is I will actually edit, okay? I will speed up my videos. So you just just swipe to the left on the click bar here. You will see there's a speed button. Click on the speed button, and if you move to the left 0.6, it actually will be more slower. But for my case, I would like more faster, fast forward. I will just click on fast forward, and after that, I will just click on the tick so you can see. Basically, my body is it's like so fast, right? And after that, same goes to all the videos. I'll speed it up all, and then do it one by one, okay? If you don't want too fast, you can make it small. You see that? So it's just like slow motion, okay? So for my video, I will make it more fast. Same goes to the next one, and you can have a look on this video. You see that? It's like become more faster. So how about the next? Next, you can actually add on some nice music, because in InShot, you can choose different kind of music, right? So let's have a look on this volume. There's a volume not here, sorry. On this music, click on this music, click it on, and you will see the track effects and record. Okay, so for my case, I will just choose tracks. Click on it, choose the tracks, and after that, there's tons of music you can choose. It's all free, okay? You can use it. I will turn out a little bit music of it. So you can choose the first one, or maybe you want the second one. Okay, so if you don't like, you can just backwards on the left, and you can choose some nice, like cute thing, maybe another J Dream. They actually got different album, So for my rabbits, I think I'll put some fun, like fun music, more relaxed kind of stuff. I will just choose this one. Not really. Maybe I will choose Dixon. I like this one. So we choose this music walk. Click on the right red button, download, and click use. Okay, so once done, you can have a look again. You see that? That's how you make a simple video just in like 2 minutes. super fast and super simple. If you want to add on some subtitle, how it's gonna be. So once you're done with the music, click the tick, and you can choose. There's some. You have to look for the, what is it called, the text. Okay, so click on the text, and you can type anything. Okay, I will just type my bunny BB. Okay, her name is called BB. Okay, so I just type bunny BB. Once done, I will just adjust from top to the center or to the down. It's actually the same like you're using the Instagram stories features. So once done, you can actually adjust the timing of the subtitle, how long gonna be, If you want all the time, you can just click it until like that. Okay, let's have a look. You see that? My bunny baby with the speed up video and also the music and also the text. But if you don't let the text be too long, you can just choose like from here, make it to the short one, okay? Which is this one, maybe just like few seconds on the front part. Click on it, done. You see that? I repeat again. My bunny BB was gone after that. So after you check all the video, if you are okay with it, just click on this one and save. Okay, once you click save, remember to save on this 1080p quality so you can upload it to your Instagram. So we wait for it now, and I'm gonna upload to my Instagram. So after converting the videos, you are good to go. So I will choose Instagram, and also I will just put on a feed and just once. See, it's done. You can upload straight away right now. So once this one, I can choose my cover, I can choose this one maybe with the wedgie. So once done, click next. I will just type my caption. My baby, my bunny, she's cute, my bunny, and I will tag her. Feel free to add her if you want. This is my bunny Instagram, baby the bunny Malaysia. So once done, I will just put some hashtag like be the bunny love, and I can check in. So I can just click on the share. Okay, so thank you for watching for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this, and see you on the next video.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to help us to like, share and comment below if you love this video. Please subscribe our channel and turn on the notification. See you on the next video. Bye!